All right, how does it going? Today I have something for the teachers that are out there. This is a dice game review that I have created. It's very simple. I am going to share a link to it in the description below in the video. It's fairly easy to set up. You could actually do this with any subject. It doesn't just have to be math. The one I'm going to show you today is actually already filled out. So when I put it up online, I will give you the blank template that you can copy and then edit yourself. But as you'll see, this is something that you could do on the board if you wanted to. You actually don't need to use a worksheet, but I usually break the kids up into groups of 2 or 4 to play the game. It's very low tech. All you need is this worksheet for one per group, and then a set of dice. That's it. It's fairly easy. I'll go through it now. We'll get a close-up of it. I hope you find it useful and enjoyable. All right, let's take a look at the worksheet here that I already have filled out. So it says directions. Decide which partner will go first. That partner rolls the dice. They choose a problem to complete from the row and the column combination on the dice. Example, if you roll a 3 and a 5, so let's say you roll a 3 and a 5, you could start here, 3, and match it up with 5, and then complete this question, or you have the option to go 3 here and 5 there. And then once completed, the partner verifies the answer. If it's correct, you would mark the space as yours with your initials. So in addition to this, the teacher would probably want to have some answer sheets filled out to go around and check periodically. I would suggest not to give those to the kids just because, you know how middle school kids are sometimes, but it's really up to you. What'll happen as the questions are marked off and there's less and less, let's say that the kid decides or rolls and decides to go somewhere and he doesn't have any options as to answer a question, then it would just move on to the next kid. So you're going to keep going and going. So that way, being that there's an even amount of questions, there's a chance that you could get a tie. But just by skipping a kid after a box is filled up, it makes it go a little bit quicker. But also it gives it a chance that other kids could steal a turn. So it's a pretty fun game. The kids like it. Like I said, there's so many options that you can do with this. I've suggested that maybe you could create this 6x6 grid on the board and do it as a class. It's really up to you. It also works as an activity on those days where you're kind of cut short on time, or you have about 10-15 minutes left of class that you didn't plan for. So try it out. I am going to provide a link below. Please leave a comment and leave a like if you find it useful, but I think it's pretty good.